to make money, break bread, take money, make moves, make sure the cash flow like it do. I got to make money, break bread, take money, make moves, make sure the cash flow like it do. I gotta keep moving, our money, I speak fluent. It ain't no other language I'd rather be pursuing. If it ain't about the dollars, I'll just holler at you later. I ain't trying to kick it, I'm just following the paper. Plus I never play the background, so don't try to act out. T-Cash, if we clash, you ain't about to back out. Breaking heads, taking names, fucking you up with nothing to gain. Pay my dues, I'm stuck in the game, ain't nothing gonna change, ain't nothing gonna change. Trying to kick this lower class, keep a steady flow of cash. It ain't no going broke no more, cause tone just ain't gon' go for that. Keep my pockets overstacked, it ain't gon' be no holding back. I can't let up, I won't break down, I'm way too fucking grown for that. Ain't no sitting patient, waiting in the same location. Just praying for some label to pick me up and just be gracious. Fuck that, I'm anxious, antagonistic prick, and shit ain't working out for me if I ain't stacking up chips. I got to make money, break bread, take money, make moves, make sure the cash flow like it do. I got to make money, break bread, take money, make moves, make sure the cash flow like it do.
Out of the sea, $20, show a trace and a burning. Cheese is a must, dog, I'm brave and determined. I see niggas get murked for $1,500. To me, that's Hawaii or a trip to the Bahamas. The money more important than sleep. We at war with a beast, but who gives a fuck as long as we eat? It's 100 differences between the strong and the weak. And I can have about 300 bricks gone in a week. I'm just drunk thinking about from all the blunts tweaking out. The streets got me freaking out. Speak what you about, okay?